Hi Arthur, it's your turn. Let's take care of Rosie and Patches. So, for Patches, you chose the laser pointer. So let's call Patches over. Let's bring her over here. Here's Rosie. And there's Patches. Hey girl. Okay, let's play with the laser pointer. I made you athletic because I know that you like basketball. Alright, and why don't we pet her as well? So cute. And I know you said you wanted to take Rosie on a walk, but it won't let me, so we're going to play with her instead. So let's call Rosie over. There she is. Hey, girl. We'll play with her. And why don't we say hi to one of your friends? Let's call Nolan over. Here he comes. And you can say hi to Nolan. Hugs. Awesome. All right, thank you so much for taking care of them, Arthur. I miss you. Have a good day.